This is a video in a series of experiments where we're looking for evidence of chemical reactions. And so in this experiment, we're going to take some copper sulfate, which is this blue solution, and we are going to drop some copper sulfate into ammonia. So I have a beaker that I will put some ammonia in. We're using copper sulfate and we're using ammonia. It's actually ammonium hydroxide because we've mixed the ammonia with water. All right, so here's my beaker. I'm gonna try to put my white paper behind it so you can see what happens, but I might have to lift up this test tube. So you can't see the test tube. How about now? There's my test tube. Okay, so I'm gonna take some ammonia. This is just ammonia, and I'm going to place some ammonia in my test tube. So this is ammonia going into my test tube. All right, that's just ammonia. And I'm going to add some copper sulfate, 1 drop at a time, copper sulfate right there. So I'm gonna use my dropper, and I'm gonna be careful to just get a little bit. I squeeze the dropper top and I get some solution in my dropper. I'm just gonna drop 1 drop at a time. So here's a drop, here's a drop, a couple drops. So instead of squeezing the whole contents, 1 drop coming right now. Ready? Here's another drop and another drop. And so as you see these drops, hopefully you can see that we're starting to have like a solid in there. I'm gonna drop a couple more drops. And as you see those drops go in, I think you can see that solid happening when I drop those drops. So when we combine copper sulfate and ammonia, we get a precipitate. We get a solid from combining 2 liquids together. And again, that was copper sulfate and ammonium hydroxide.